好, I'm Qi Mei. Welcome to Qi Mei Mandarin. Today, let's talk about the third reason why Chinese is easier than English. So, as you know, there are so many English vocabularies that have more than 3 syllables. So let's look at the first example. The first one is transportation. There is 4 syllables in this word. But how to say in Chinese? We just need to say 交通, 交通, right? Only 2 syllables, very easy. Next example, architecture. It's also 4 syllables in this word. In Chinese, you just need to say 建筑, 建筑. Next one, advertisement. That's also 4 syllables. In Chinese, you just need to say 广告, 广告. Only 2 syllables. Next one, complicated. It's 4 syllables in English. In Chinese, you just need to say 复杂, 复杂. Next one, competition. Competition. It's also 4 syllables. In Chinese, you just need to say 竞争, 竞争. So 4 versus 2 syllables. Let's look at the last example. Pronunciation. It's 5 syllables. But in Chinese, you just need to say 发音, 发音, right? So from this point, you can say in many situations, Chinese vocabularies is much easy to see compared with the English words. Now, we have talked the 3 reasons why Chinese is not that hard to learn compared with English. I hope you get some general idea about Chinese now, and then you don't feel Chinese is hard to learn anymore. So let's learn Chinese together. If you think you have learned something from me, please subscribe my channel. And if you have any questions or difficulties about learning Chinese, please email me. I will always help you out. And also, I post some pictures about Chinese, about my traveling, so on my other social media. So you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram, Twitter. They are all on the Qi Mei Mandarin. See you next time. 再见。